Go.
Like I said, no more engines.
Oh no, now we will never go.
Oh, dry up, Twinkle Toes. If we get going now, maybe we can make it to a toy store in time for Christmas.
To Christmas? That would be a few months away.
But, are you quitting? Listen to me. Quitters never, well, they don't win. They can't, don't you see? And winners, they never quit.
That's right. We never gonna quit, and neither can you toys.
Easy for him to say. But who's going to pull us?
I think I can.
Perhaps I can help. Oh my goodness me, Pumbaa! It's Casey Jr. Casey who? Casey Jr., the circus engine. It's nice to meet you again, Casey. Well, it's nice to meet you too, Timon Pumbaa. And your friends need help. No, you're in trouble. Timon, Pumbaa, and you're okay? We're okay. Yeah, me too. What about you, Henry? Are you alright? I'm alright, Spyro.
Oh, great. Now we've got a miniature choo-choo who thinks she can pull us.
Tilly! I'm glad to see you. You finally come. Me too, Timon. So, Tilly, can you pull the birthday train over the mountains? The boys and girls will be waiting for you.
I think I can. 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 I think I can.
When your feet are dragging on the ground, stand up and face whatever you're afraid of. When pandemonium is all around,
Then you find out what it is you're made of.
if you will just believe it's true, then there is nothing you can't do. There's not a mountain that you can't climb. There's not a river you can't make it over. There's no tomorrow that you can't find if you try. I know you're gonna make it. Nothing can stop you now.
Well, so far so good. Eh, Raptor?
Yeah, I hope everything will be turned all right.
Turn back. You're too little. You can't do it. I think I can.
She can do it. She will make it over the mountain.
You'll be sorry. Go for it, little train. I think you can.
I hope the little wolf is right. Let's hope so. I think Tilly can do it. Looks like rain won't stop us. Let's keep going. We can't turn back. There's no way we're gonna give up.
I'm going over that mountain.
You're too little. You'll never make it through the storm.
Don't listen to that eagle. I know you can do it, Tilly.
I think I can.
Looks like a dangerous bridge. Is it safe? Oh, we had to get to the other side fast. The bridge is collapsing. Hold on, Tilly. I'm on my way. Let's pull together. I got you, Henry. Thanks, Stella. Anytime, Henry.
Shoot. That was too close. Are we still alive?
Casey? Yep, we're still alive, Chip. We're still going.
Everything's all right.
Uh-oh. I say it once, I'll say it again. She can do it.
I think I can.
Look out! Avalanche! Wow!
That's a little bit too cold.
Oh no! Tilly! Timon! Pumbaa! Henry! Skylanders! Stella! Willow! Poppy! Dahlia! Look! Willow! Chip!